Hey lifestyle lovers, welcome back to It's E Lifestyle, and if you are new here, welcome. My name is Erica. My channel is called It's E Lifestyle, and it is all about creating the lifestyle that you love. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so in this video I am going to be sharing 5 ways to maximize your small space in either your laundry room or your laundry closet. I am filming this video during the holidays, but it is after Christmas. So I hope everyone had a Merry Christmas and a safe holiday. But one of my gifts for Christmas was a new dryer. Back in 2023, my washer went out, but my dryer still worked. So I pretty much kept the dryer that I had, but I wanted to go ahead and upgrade so I could have my matching washer and dryer. So I decided to go with the GE brand because I am loyal to the GE brand. They have done me well. My last washer and dryer was a GE brand, and I had those well over 15 years, and they just went out recently. So I got a new dryer for Christmas, and I decided that I wanted to go ahead and refresh my laundry closet. And I wanted to share some of the things that I did with my laundry closet with you guys. Some of the things that I'm going to be sharing in this video are also renter friendly. So these are some hacks that everyone should be able to find useful. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so one of the upgrades that I want to share with you that I refreshed in my laundry closet is counter space. Now this can be permanent or this can be temporary. At some point I may have like my contractor or my handyman come in and build me a countertop that stays in place. But in the meantime, I found a temporary countertop that I purchased on Amazon. And pretty much this fits perfectly over my front loaders. It also has shelves as well, so I can also add any type of my laundry products to the shelves, or actually decorate the shelves if I want to, you know, add a little plant or something to the shelves. But this is very functional for your laundry room or your laundry closet in the event that you have like a small load of clothes. And if you're anything like me, I hate folding clothes. I know that's a household task that most of us dread. But if you have counter space in your laundry closet, you can fold the clothes as soon as they come out the dryer. You don't have to load them up in a basket and wait a week or 2 weeks to fold it. I think if you have counter space in this area, it kind of encourages you to just go ahead and fold it right then. You have the space. You can also use the countertop to sort your clothes out. It's perfect if you want to sort your clothes before you put them in the washing machine. You can place your basket right on the countertop without having to bend down. If you're getting ready to add a load of clothes to the washer, you can use it to kind of, you know, sort your clothes out, as well as you can use it as a space just to, you know, pre-treat stains or whatever. You definitely want to incorporate some type of counter space or some type of countertop. As a renter-friendly version, this countertop is perfect. It was probably around $100 and something. So if you are interested in this countertop, I will link it in the description box. I will advise you to do your measurements first. Although it fits most standard size front loaders, you definitely want to do your measurements first, but it comes in different colors. So if you want it in like a lighter wood or gray, I decided to opt for the white, and I'm so glad I did because I love it. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so moving on to the second way to upgrade your laundry room or your laundry closet is you want to add cabinetry. Now I do have cabinetry that I added to my laundry closet years ago, and pretty much where I think I made the mistake in was I made the cabinetry too low because I have a lot of wasted space. But when I had this cabinetry added to my laundry closet, I was thinking in the mind of I wanted to have something that I was able to reach, but I really wish that I would have utilized that empty space, that wasted space, and had the cabinets go all the way to the top and just had like a stepping stool if I needed, you know, to reach all the way to the top. So although I do feel like this is wasted space, I would definitely recommend that you add cabinetry to your laundry closet or your laundry room. I know it's a little bit of a permanent fix, but it kind of helps to keep things organized because you can keep backup products in your cabinetry. If you buy your products in bulk, having cabinetry is a way to store your backup products without having the laundry countertop or the other areas in your laundry room looking cluttered. You can also add cleaning items to your cabinetry. It does not necessarily have to be specific to the laundry room, but you know, pods, detergent, cleaning sprays, the overflow of items that you typically use for laundry. These are all of the things that you can store in your cabinetry just to keep your laundry room, your laundry closet very neat, very organized. And you can have all of the items that you need to do your laundry right in the same spot. You don't have to go looking for it in other storage closets. But the fact that I have cabinetry in my laundry closet, anything that's specifically for laundry or washing clothes or drying clothes, I can store in this cabinetry. But if I decide to do any upgrades to my laundry closet in the future, I definitely will replace the cabinetry with cabinetry that goes all the way to the ceiling. That way I will not have wasted space. And just keep in mind, anytime you're adding like cabinetry or countertops into these types of spaces, it's also adding resale value to your home. So it's not wasted upgrades, it's adding functionality while you're living in the home. And if you decide to resell later, it's definitely going to be an attractive feature for buyers. So just keep that in mind when you decide to upgrade your laundry room or your laundry closet. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so moving on to the third way that you can add functionality or upgrade your laundry room is to add storage containers. Now I know this is just the laundry room or the laundry closet, but I like everything in my house that kind of look pretty and kind of look put together. So I did add some glass containers that I can actually store on top of my new countertop. Now prior to me having this new countertop, I used these glass containers and I stored them in the cabinetry. But now that I have a countertop, I can actually just make the open space look nice. So the particular glass containers, I use them for my laundry detergent pods. This just keeps everything in one place, helps keep everything looking nice and organized. I use another one for my laundry scent boosters, and I can kind of color coordinate it just to make it look aesthetically pleasing for my laundry room. And I also use one of them for, I believe, the OxyClean stain remover. And if you just want it to look nice and neat and just look like it's all put together, then I would recommend maybe using some type of clear or plastic containers. If you are interested in these containers, I have had them for quite some time. I've had them for a couple of years, so I do not know if they're still available, but if they are, they will be linked. But this way, when I get ready to wash clothes, everything is right there. I do not have to go looking for anything. It makes laundry day run a little bit more smoothly, and it looks good on top of the countertops, and it reminds you when you're running out, you know. So if you have a container that you can actually see through, it looks better and it makes it more aesthetically pleasing. But you can also know as soon as you're running low on your pods, or as soon as you're running low on your laundry boosters or your dryer sheets, or whatever you decide to use your storage for, you can clearly see when it's time to do a refill. And for me, I just like to see my stuff organized. You know, I just kind of like the way it looks. And although I do have doors on my laundry closet, but if it's looking nice and all put together, then I can leave my laundry closet doors open. That way when guests come in, clothes are not everywhere, things are not everywhere. It just looks like another part of my house. Although it's not a room, it's a closet, but you know, that doesn't mean that I can't keep it nice and organized and looking good like the rest of the rooms in my home. So you definitely want to utilize some type of clear glass storage bins to store your laundry products. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so moving on to the fourth way that you can actually upgrade your laundry room or your laundry closet is to add some custom doors. Now I know this may be more of a permanent upgrade, but when I moved into my home, my laundry closet had the bifold doors, and these are very common doors. You see these like in a lot of apartments, and I replaced every single bifold door in my home. I'm not a fan of the bifold doors. You can also use these doors and turn them into a double door. I have also done that in my home. If I can find the instructions for how you turn your bifold doors into like a double door, I will link them in the description box. But pretty much what I did was I went into Home Depot. I replaced my bifold doors with custom laundry doors. So they are glass doors, and they have the word laundry on them, and they have like a little basket of laundry on them. But I purchased these doors from Home Depot. I went inside and I custom ordered them, and they had someone come out and install the doors, and it just makes the area look a lot more custom and a lot more sleek. Now, my particular laundry room is right in my hallway, right when you walk into my home. So the fact that I added custom doors to my laundry closet, it just makes it feel more a part of my home. And also it reduces noise. Say for instance, I'm filming this video, I can reduce the noise by closing the doors during the time that I'm doing laundry. Now, it doesn't reduce the noise down to zero, but it does significantly reduces the noise when I close the doors. And on the days when my laundry room is a mess and I haven't organized it, I can just simply close the doors, you know, so if someone comes into my home, they will not see the mess behind the laundry doors. And if you decide to do this upgrade to your home, it's also adding value to your home. It makes it look a lot more high-end when you walk into homes and you see the custom doors. So this is an upgrade that I definitely recommend for your laundry room or your laundry closet. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so moving on to the last way to upgrade your laundry room or make it more functional is you definitely want to utilize the vertical space. Now, there are some things that I definitely want to incorporate in my laundry closet that I was not able to share in this video, but I definitely wanted to share it with you guys. I am looking at maybe getting a makeshift clothesline, where simply there are certain things that I wash that I don't necessarily want to put in the dryer because I'm afraid of it shrinking. So right now, typically I'll just take the clothing and just kind of throw it across my laundry door. But I did see a makeshift clothing line on Amazon. So if I do have particular clothing items that I don't necessarily want to place in the dryer, I can just hang them on this makeshift clothing line. So this is something that I plan to incorporate into my laundry closet. That way I don't have to hang clothes on the doors. Also, you can use your vertical space for ironing boards, to hang ironing boards, to hang steamers, to hang particular hooks. So I definitely will link some items in the description box that I came across when making this video that I think will definitely be useful if you're upgrading your laundry room or your laundry closet and you want to make it more functional. Peg boards are also another option that you can use in your vertical space to add additional storage and to store additional things in your laundry room or your laundry closet. And that was one of the reasons that I said I made a mistake when I did not take the cabinetry all the way to the ceiling, because if you have space at the top of cabinets, it's just simply wasted space. It's only collecting dust up there. So as I stated, that may be an upgrade that I may consider in the future, but definitely if you're looking into making your laundry space more functional, take the cabinets all the way to the ceiling. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so that is 5 ways that you want to add functionality or elevate your laundry closet or your laundry room. As I stated, I have a laundry closet. I do not have a laundry room, so it does not matter how small your space is, you can incorporate all of the things that I've shared with you guys. But that is it for this video, lifestyle lovers. I hope you enjoyed it. As always, I love you guys. Don't forget to thumbs up the video. Don't forget to hype the video. If this is your first time clicking on one of my videos, I love to share all things home decor, as well as I show a snippet of my life in vlogs. So if you are interested in any or all of those things, be sure to subscribe before you leave. As always, I love you guys. I hope you're having a great weekend, a great week, a great holiday season whenever you're watching this, and I will see you on the next video. Bye, y'all.